Mysuru Dasara 2025 has been culminated with grandeur, but the lights, they are still on. Mysuru will glow for the next few days as well. One of the main attractions in Mysuru during Dasara is the illumination. Whole city dazzles with lakhs of lights, making it a heaven on earth. People from far and wide visit Mysuru during Dasara to watch the grandeur of illumination. It draws huge crowds towards the city. This year, Chamundeshwari Electricity Supply Corporation has illuminated 136 km of streets, decorated 118 major junctions and installed 76 unique display models, adding a fresh sparkle to the city. Scenes from mythology have been recreated, famous monuments have been reproduced, and social awareness on various issues have been created. All of these through moving and static images created with lights. Nearly 80 LED replicas depicting varied themes have been installed across the city. Adding to its magnificence, Kolkata-style lighting has been introduced at selected locations, bathing streets in vibrant patterns. Key stretches, including the palace surroundings, Sayajirao Road, Irvin Road, Albert Victor Road, JLB Road, Chamaraja Double Road, and major circles such as KR Circle, Chamaraja Circle, Jai Chamaraja Circle, and LIC Circle have been lit up, drawing praise from visitors. According to an estimate, 2.57 lakh units of electricity will be consumed during the 21 days of Dasara illumination. These lights will sparkle for 21 days from September 22nd to October 12th. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a new video.